This is ScorpionEXO, a global brand built on passion, innovation, and safety. Part of the Keto Sports family, we've been committed to providing riders with the best in helmet technology since 2001. ScorpionEXO began with a mission to create exceptional, performance-driven motorcycle helmets that protect and enhance the riding experience. We're continually pushing the boundaries of what a helmet can be. We're an end-to-end company with innovation at the heart of everything we do. Our dedicated team has developed groundbreaking technologies. From design and research to manufacturing and official approval, we control every step of the process to ensure quality and safety. With a production capacity of approximately 1 million helmets per year, we're committed to meet demand without compromising on quality. Each helmet undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest safety standards. We have a worldwide presence with headquarters in Korea, offices in France and the United States, and manufacturing facilities in Vietnam. We work closely with riders and dealers to deliver outstanding products and service which take precision and craftsmanship from the entire team. Success comes from working together, leveraging the best talents, and continuously pushing the boundaries of innovation. From the factory to the office and out on the road, every team member is essential. At ScorpionEXO, we understand that every ride is an adventure. So with every helmet, we build confidence for the road ahead.